Welcome back, fashion lovers! If you are obsessed with handmade style, unique textures, and standout outfits, you are in for a treat today. In this video, we are diving into the absolute best, most attractive, and trending crochet dress designs for 2026. Crochet fashion has completely transformed over the last few years. It is no longer just for cozy vintage vibes. It has become a major high fashion trend seen on runways, street style icons, and everywhere across social media. Today, I've put together a curated collection of the latest, most gorgeous dress designs to give you ultimate fashion inspiration, whether you're looking to style them, buy them, or even crochet your next project yourself. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the modern revival of the classic granny square dress. But forget what you used to think about granny squares. 2026 is all about sleek silhouettes, fine yarn, and creative color palettes. Designers and creators are using delicate sunburst patterns, floral blocks, and soft pastel shades to build stunning bodycon minis and flowing midi dresses. What makes these designs so special is the artistic geometric layout. They bring incredible texture and a fun retro chic feel that works perfectly for weekend brunches, festival season, or casual day trips. Moving on to our next category, airy, open work, and breezy mesh designs. If you're looking for the ultimate beachside or summer outfit, these are an absolute must-have. These designs utilize open mesh stitches, delicate lace motifs, and breathable cotton yarns that drape beautifully over the body. You'll see gorgeous halter necklines, dramatic backless details, and sheer paneling. They work as effortlessly chic bikini cover-ups at the beach, but when paired with a matching slip dress underneath, they transform into sophisticated, head-turning evening wear. Now, if you want something a bit more fitted and dramatic, look at these stunning corset-style and textured halter midi dresses. Crochet is amazing because different stitch patterns can create structure and hold shape without losing comfort. Notice how these designs highlight the waistline using tight ribbed stitches, contrasted with flared or lacy skirts. The detail around the bodice and the laced-up back closures give these dresses an incredible custom fit look. They are elegant, romantic, and perfect for date nights or outdoor summer celebrations. Next up, let's talk about maximum cuteness, tiered ruffles, and sweet baby doll silhouettes. These designs are all about fun, bounce, and playful volume. Featuring layered ruffled skirts, puff sleeves, and soft pastel tones like sage green, lavender, butter yellow, and blush pink, these dresses give off an effortless, romantic aesthetic. The layered texture creates dynamic movement, so every step looks graceful and stylish. Whether you love bold, colorful statements or subtle, elegant neutrals, the 2026 crochet dress trends offer something truly unique for every fashion personality. Which of these featured dress designs was your absolute favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this fashion collection, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button with notifications turned on so you never miss out on the latest style trends and creative inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.